Good morning, happy Tuesday, and welcome to Letterland. Yesterday we started off this new unit number 26, where we had a chance to start working with words that had a prefix. We talked about these different prefixes yesterday, examples of dis, re, pre, and un, and we identified that a prefix was a special beginning that we can add to a base word to change the meaning. Make sense, Goku? Cool. So today we're going to focus on, again, continuing to work with those words with prefixes in our lesson today as we get a chance to identify and read words with prefixes. I'm going to start off by looking in this text box. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to see if I can identify my words with prefixes. So I'm going to take these one at a time and look to identify which words have a prefix and which do not. The first word that I'm going to look at here is the word preheat. Well, first things first, I see the base word that I'm working with. My base word is going to be that word heat, which I know is a vowel team syllable. I see that EA working together. V here, vowel team. Boop, boop. And so now I can look in the beginning of my base word. I see that prefix of pre. I'm going to go ahead and circle this. From my work yesterday, I know that pre means before. So this is meaning to heat something before I actually start cooking. So with this pre, this special beginning added to my base word heat, I know this is an example of a word with a prefix. A little check mark. Boop. My next word is unfair. Unfair. Again, first thing I'm going to do is just identify my base word. In this case, my base word is the word fair. Again, A and I working together, so again, this is a vowel team syllable forming. But with my base word, I see that in the beginning, I have the section un. This is an example of a prefix, a special beginning that I can add. From my work yesterday, I know that the word un means not. So in this case, unfair means not fair. Check mark, found another word with a prefix. Let's check out our next one. Cheerful. Cheerful. Well, first things first, let's identify our base word. My base word in this case is the word cheer. Vowel team, E working together to make that E sound. And now I see attached to my ending here, full. So I do have a special ending, but I know a prefix is a special beginning. So this full is a special ending. It would be more of an example of a suffix. We are looking for prefixes, those special beginnings, so I'm going to put an X here because we're only looking for words that have a prefix right now, a special beginning. My last one, disobey. Here, my base word, obey. My special beginning here, dis, meaning do not. Disobey, did not obey. With that special beginning there, I know that this is absolutely an example of a word with a prefix. So here's an example of me going through these words and finding the ones that have a prefix. Today, for practice, you all are going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be giving you guys our word detective sentences. As you look through these sentences, your job is to find all the examples of words with prefixes. I'm going to read our sentences first. Sentence number 1 reads, Mr. E made the rabbit disappear and then reappear in his hat. Again, Mr. E made the rabbit disappear and then reappear in his hat. As you're looking at this sentence, think to yourself, which words are words with a prefix? Okay? Let's look at the second sentence. We had to help the preschoolers refill their cups and tie their shoes. Again, we had to help the preschoolers refill their cups and tie their shoes. So, as you look at these two sentences today, I'm going to be asking you all to leave a private message for me on this assignment. In that private message, you're going to write all the words that have prefixes in these sentences. So again, you're going to give me a private message on the assignment that gives me all the examples of prefixes in our two sentences for today. If you have any questions about this assignment or about our lesson today, feel free to give me a message on Class Dojo. Feel free to hit me up in Google Classroom. Otherwise, have a great day. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.